Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The video title says it all. How to send XRP from Uphold to Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, securing your assets on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move to protect against hacks and exchanges going down. If you're holding XRP on Uphold and want to transfer it safely, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an Uphold account with some XRP in it, your Ledger Nano X device connected to your computer or via the app, and the XRP app installed on your Ledger. Also, double check that you have your Ledger's recovery phrase handy just in case. Safety first. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account on their website or app. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio and find your XRP balance. Click on it to open the details. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. This might be under a menu like Transfer or directly on the asset page. Select XRP as the cryptocurrency you want to send. Step 3. Now, you'll need the receiving address from your Ledger Nano X. Open the XRP app on your Ledger device, and it will display your wallet address. Carefully copy this address. Don't make any typos here, as that could send your XRP to the wrong place. Step 4. Paste the address into the recipient field on Uphold. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary. Review everything. The address, amount, and any fees displayed. Step 5. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication on Uphold. Once approved, the transfer will go through the XRP network, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on congestion. Finally, once it's done, check your Ledger Nano X to confirm the XRP has arrived. Congrats! You've just secured your assets. If you run into any issues, like network errors, always reach out to Uphold or Ledger support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.